Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Empty and dry your humidifier's water tank every day to prevent mold. Use distilled water instead of tap to cut down on impurities. Wipe surfaces weekly with vinegar or a mild bleach solution, and keep the humidifier in a dry, ventilated spot. These quick steps help stop mold growth between deep cleans.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.